Hi guys, try natin tong best push-up routine never created. So, a whole body workout siya, focusing more on push-ups, then may isa siyang sit-up sa dulo. Yun yung isang set niya. Tara, try natin. So, dito, progress kong dito is 2 months na akong laging consistent 100 push-up. So, kala ko yung workout na to is madali. So, dyan, unti-unti na ako nahihirapan, lalo na sa lower body ko. And puro lang kasi ako upper body, so hindi ko na workout for the past 2 months yung core and lower body. So, I just realized na hindi lang dapat puro upper body. Dapat hindi lang puro push-up, dapat din i-workout yung core and lower body. Maganda to guys, whole body. So, try nyo rin to. And comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.